guys, long time no see. So I just want to do a quick video about my digital perm because I think people would be interested in learning more about it. I've had this perm for 8 or 8.5 months and the growth is about that much. Hair grows about ½ an inch a month. And I really like it because it's so easy to style. I basically don't have to do much to it at all. I wash it, comb it, blow dry the roots a little bit, and then just let it dry. If I wake up after washing it at night and it looks squashed or it looks frizzy or something like that, all I do is spray it with water, finger comb it and let it dry, and then it looks good. It does make your hair a little bit more dry, so it is good to get a haircut every 3 months or so. I got my perm at this Japanese salon called Pinok by Matsumoto in Pasadena. The reason it's called digital perm is because it's heated up with wires and probably allows the chemicals to penetrate deeper into the hair. So with digital perm it stays bouncy and you can still see the definition of them pretty much until it gets cut off. So there's digital perm or hot perm, and then there's cold perm, which is like traditional perm. Quick info about perms. The first solution breaks down the hair, softens it, and then you roll it, and then rinse it out, and the second solution hardens it back into place. So with the second solution, your hair is in rollers, so it's going to harden back into its normal state while it's around the rollers. I would say the rods are just a little bit bigger than the biggest cold perm rod, but if you did a cold perm with these rods, the hair would go limp faster. I would say the process took about an hour and a half. So I really love my perm. I plan on keeping it at least one more session. I think it's good to wait a year in between. If you're thinking about doing it, might as well just give it a shot. But do not perm on top of hair that has been bleached. If it was bleached a long time ago and you cut that stuff all off, you're fine. But if you have hair that has been previously bleached, still stuck to your head, do not get a perm, and do not bleach hair that has been permed because the two chemicals do not mix and the hair will break off. But your stylist will, if they know what they're doing, they'll ask you to make sure beforehand that your hair has not been bleached. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you got some good information from this, and I'll see you next time.